look out and see the world. It takes everything we have to face it. Without a sound, we take a step. Inside our hearts are racing. If it takes forever, we'll get there together.
Hey guys, it's Chrissy.
Und Gabi, hallo alle zusammen, hello everybody.
And guys, we are here representing Jamaica here in Germany.
As you can see,
Proudly with the Jamaican flag behind us.
yeah.
So I don't know, I've never seen the Jamaican YouTubers do this challenge. Or maybe I just haven't seen it.
Yeah.
Maybe they've done it and I haven't seen it. But this is the Bean Boozled challenge, right?
I hope you guys saw it for me.
Because we're scared of it, right? So
No.
so this is a nasty looking game.
Yeah, you have to watch the video to the end to see if we're still alive and we did make it. Oh,
Okay.
this is so cute. Yeah.
So guys, when you
Oh,
open the
Philipp.
box,
So much of them.
you see.
Oh.
So
You
guys,
can recognize the bad ones from the good ones.
that's the problem. So guys, when you open the box, this is what you see. So basically, we're gonna spin this and it's gonna tell us which one to pick.
Diese na, die stinken.
Guys, they already smell terrible.
Oh.
So guys,
Oh,
let
God,
me
we are
read.
sweat.
Let me read the rules to you. This thing is saying a whole new spin on playing with your food, right? So a few tips to get you started, mommy. Do have a trash can handy at all times. Do we have a trash can?
A bit too small.
Trust us, you will need it. Do not let wimps or crybabies play this game.
Which would be you.
You.
I'm.
Okay, maybe let them play after all. It can be fun to watch. Do fake out your friends while playing if you can. Got stink bug? Try to keep a good poker face and swear it is toasted marshmallow. If you try smell a bird for see if you try to put on poker face.
Really?
And we're not supposed to make up our own rules. You know, because this is the Bean Boozled challenge. So
Ich glaube,
guys.
ich will nicht die Männer waren, die wollen mir die Punkte dämmen. They look dangerous.
Oh God, this is so crazy.
And she put me up to this, people. Yeah.
Guys, they already smell from afar already like this.
And that she do to her mother.
Me, you buy them.
And you want buy them too. I actually thought we're gonna do a challenge, I film and she eat.
No, that's what I thought.
No, that's actually.
Oh God, they actually taste bad. Me don't want to do this again. Whew, me smell something like rotten.
Shh. Don't say it.
It smell like stinky
Sure.
shit.
Oh, that's really
We're
bad.
afraid of my life right now. Oh God, me a sweat. Okay. So guys, who first?
Na jo.
You first.
Du zuerst.
No, mommy, make a play rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper.
Was kann wie es geht?
Rock, paper, scissors. And who beat who? 1, 2. Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah,
Ich
cheat.
wollte auch so machen.
Go, you have to cheat. Go. Rock, paper, scissors. Me win. Mommy get to ask. Oh God, I'm sorry for you, but no, I'm not sorry for you. You go first. Is that thing filming?
Which one?
So, mommy, you should try. Guys, look what the arrogant one. Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish.
Don't do the other one. And what kind of color? Orange? What? Which color?
Wait. It says Either strawberry,
Oh no.
strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. Look, guys,
Oh no.
it cut on the red one. Don't know if you can tell. Oh, good.
The one with the punkte, the one what me don't want.
The red one, easy to find. Oh, wait, a two red one. Me think
The
I
one with the funny punkte. I eat that here.
the pinkish red one.
I eat that. What?
Yeah.
Really, you sure?
Mommy, make the people them see I eat it.
That's what you want to schlucken.
I don't know.
Yeah,
If I
swallow.
good one, if I bad one, probably not. It look like a good one. They would have spit it out already. I good one, don't you? You're lucky. Mommy, just say good one like obvious. You couldn't eat dead fish like that.
Sure what it is.
Mommy, I'm dead.
I never eat that fish, so how would I know what it tastes like?
So I like fish you eat.
Yeah, sushi. That's all.
Okay, guys, my turn. Pray for me tomorrow. So, guys, I'm gonna spin now. Oh God, I'm afraid. My land in the middle. Me have to do it again. One, two, three. No, it land in the middle. Me couldn't choose. Okay, that one yeah, fear. This name juicy pear or booger.
What's that?
Boogo. Guys, look.
Yeah.
So it landed on juicy pear or boogo. So it's the green one with the dots.
Uh-huh.
So
I mean, I have to eat all of them, right?
no,
Good.
we can't just everybody do 5 turn or 10. We don't do it.
This is still alive after that.
Okay, so it is the darkest green with some spots.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh God, they smell so bad. Come on, before her reach.
You better not.
Can I smell it before? So we can choose one next one.
No, you can't choose the next one. That one you have to take.
Guys, this thing smells so bad. Let me smell it. You get a good one. Oh God.
No, sir.
Guys, pray for me. Say this is.
I like that.
Pray for me that this is the juicy pear and not no booger. What booger tastes like?
I don't know. You must know.
Okay, man, I think that's a good one.
You think I could one? Ja, sie sieht. She looks happy, doesn't she? Da brauchst du schon mal dein Tässchen. Ja, you need it.
I don't think this is juicy pear. It don't taste bad, but it tastes funny.
I still have this bad after taste. Sure. Oh, got me a sweat.
Yeah, man.
Panic.
You next.
Me. Schon wieder. Bang! Das ist.
You get the next red one now.
Which
It's
red
peach or barf.
Red one. You're colorblind.
No, the next red, me say. This I like one orangish red. This one, you know. So because before that, I get the other red. Oh no, you can choose. The dunkler red.
Sure, this. I ate this.
Maybe you go glad to edit mine. Make them see, mommy. I'm so afraid. Right now, it's still stuck in my teeth. I don't know what vomit supposed to taste like, so.
Please don't remind me.
So, has the peach. You have peach, I have vomit. I guess that could never be vomit. Oh God, I don't want to get none of them.
Ich glaube, das war eine gute.
You think that was a good one? Enjoyed? Good.
Ja, das war okay.
Yeah, my turn. Guys, I'm afraid. Oh God, this is a new one too. Either tutti frutti or stinky socks. Guys, me know some smell some cheesy too in here. Oh
Are you
God.
want that?
No, me not
After
cheesy.
you toast them.
No, I them here. Me know some cheesy too. Me smell out of all light. Oh God, I'm afraid of this one.
I don't know what them possibly could have taste like.
Mommy, if you smell them, you just smell like cheesy
No,
too. So
because them are.
So me know.
Ah.
So I'm afraid of that one. Alright. So this is one right on the top. Let's swap say. This is the good one.
Ja.
God, please, me love you.
Und riechst du schon die Stinksocken? You smell it already.
Me love you. Thank you, Jesus. Me love you so much.
You still have a few left in there, no? Yeah.
Your time. Let me enjoy my tutti frutti. Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
Scandal, what?
Canned dog food.
What kind of color that? Brown?
It's like a purplish, dark purple.
Only brown.
Or brown then, I guess.
It's a brown.
Yeah, the brown one.
No, it's no dark purple, but they have black.
Yeah, that mean I brown
So I
one.
eat that.
So, mommy, dog food or chocolate? You love chocolate pudding?
Yeah.
Let me get my little tutti frutti. It's a round tree, mommy. You can do it. Oh, this is chocolate pudding.
Show what you had.
My belly hurt me. Yeah, I enjoy my tutti frutti.
For dog food, it would taste pretty good, but I think I don't know dog food is.
Okay.
I think.
So the two of we have good rounds, no so far. Well, I think one of them did bad.
I don't remember.
Me did spit out. Me did spit out first, cause I never so sure about it.
Yeah.
Anyways, so oh God, man land pan the same one like you a while ago. You think me will get the dog food? So, but for me now is either chocolate pudding too or dog food. I try to what the taste of the last one. What you say?
Let it be dog food.
Mommy, have you pray for me? You against me?
Nein. No. Und? Und war das nicht so gut?
Me no know, me spit it out too fast.
Ja, das war cold, ja, für ETF.
Alright, let me try again. Me just say panic.
Ja. Doch gut, ne?
Yeah, it tastes like chocolate.
Siehst du, man darf die Hoffnung nicht aufgeben. You never give up.
Me did panic at first.
Oh.
Your time. Yeah, you feel hungry.
Warum bin ich denn schon wieder dran? Oh ja. Booyah.
Peach or barf. You get that already, not true?
That's boring.
Oh, you might get the pass this time. Try it.
Yeah, they want me to white tonight.
One I orangish one then.
Yeah, but not talking.
No, not that one, the orange one.
This?
9.
What do you mean
One of them
9?
here.
This? That not look nice.
Cause look, this is the other one we take up.
Okay. People are gonna try this
Peach
one.
or vomit again.
Oh God, I'm so bad lucky.
No, you can be good looking at the peach. You don't smell it first, you do that to yourself.
Ja, was will er von unten?
I don't want to smell everything.
Okay. Så godt her, det var nog godt mit tidslæg. Så var fæng klorene.
Mommy, and I was left it tastes like peach. I don't know if I eat that and dry so. You know, so they give up now. You don't know what I'm true. Oh wow. You think I ate?
Oh, that not taste so much, just that one there.
Oh god, no, me don't want no peachy now.
Ooh. So your turn, come on.
Then we catch a new one. Toasted marshmallow or stink bug.
Hau rein.
Oh, I'm afraid I'm alive. I wanna do me. Okay, stink bug. What does a stink bug taste?
Ja, das,
Toasted
det
marshmallow.
var only a smell bad. So I never taste one.
You know that good if they would have just have good things in here and I just a freak we out.
So you mean? So what are the point of that? We could have just buy jelly beans. And we don't. Na, das ist ein kleiner Bug. Ein kleines Käferchen. So ja. So
It's
that.
good. Marshmallow.
Ah, actually taste that. Bin ich ja schon wieder dran. Das ist immer noch so. How much left in there?
Oh, lieb.
Oh, boop, boop.
I guess that can count as black one. Butter popcorn or rotten egg. Ooh. My baby's got the best one. Yellow and white one, mommy. So when they look, but we not tell which one to pick. Next thing you say, my fault.
You mean them here?
Yellow and white.
Yellow and white. Oh, I'm so scared. But da ist kein Weiß drauf, oder?
I don't eat that. Yellow and white.
So was yellow and white. This. I eat that?
Mm-hmm. You're rotten
Them
egg.
here. That one look dangerous.
So rotten egg or butter popcorn? Yeah, they made that one long. But we're lucky so far. Ish.
What?
We're lucky so far.
Ah. We're supposed to taste after again the good one.
Popcorn, butter popcorn.
I believe I catch a good one. I think I would know if I have a rotten egg, don't I?
I don't know. I guess you would.
It's
Indeed.
like popcorn, yeah, but nothing bad.
They just know the good one and then just taste sweet and something. They don't really necessarily taste like whatever it tastes like.
Like you woulda know. You didn't catch one bad one yet? Huh?
I think the first one made they get a the boogie.
So good thing we did.
But it never tastes like boogie, they just taste like
No, alright, but no.
something different.
Alright.
My turn now. Oh god, now one my time to try the chocolate pudding or dog food. But I'm gonna try this already.
Well, obviously go repeat itself. No.
Be afraid do other one, yeah. Dog food.
Ta-da! Na. Und lecker! Ja, doch kommt hier. Put it away, it smells bad. What?
But never happened to me like that.
Es tut mir aber leid. Oh, ich take a couple of further away, it smells bad. life. Alright.
Let me just bite tonight and imagine what I really chewy.
Also auf jeden Fall hast du gleich gemerkt, dass es so schlechte war, ne?
Yeah, sometimes we did that debate. This is good. Yeah.
Das stinkt, tu das mal weg. Oh.
It smells bad, guys.
Boah. Bei mir ist das auch nicht stinkt.
No, now you have toasted marshmallow or sting bug. You never get that one there yet.
So, that one look like.
Brown and white.
Wo ist hier brown and white? You mean this?
Mm-hmm.
These are brown and white.
Stink bug or toasted marshmallow?
Stinking socks. You think I stinking socks that?
No, I stink bug.
Was?
Or toasted marshmallow. Maybe get a nice marshmallow. Maybe I have the same look.
Oh God, I'm scared. I have sweaty hands here, man. I really.
I'm still traumatized from my time. I couldn't even grab the cup fast enough. I just spit it on the tube. I guess you have
What was it again?
marshmallow is sweet. Cause me just getting it. Me can't be someone want the tongue for your pudding. I guess it's sweet. You did enjoy and it could never be a stick.
Get a good one. Oh, food.
I'm afraid me just get canned food.
That was a good one.
Oh, God, please, me don't want no more. Again,
What?
the toasted marshmallow stink bug, they really want to get you on that one, you know. Me not even see no more left. Me don't want no stink bug.
There's so much white and yellowish color in here.
I know we don't get some of them in a spoiled milk.
Oh, okay.
We don't want the wet one.
Achtung, und here it comes. Und jetzt, und jetzt, und jetzt. Na. Ah, langweilig.
Excuse you, you're not getting no dog food yet.
Was ist das?
You finally get something
Kleiner
new.
Schwarzer.
Oh God, wait, mommy.
No, me no want no.
No, what? But then what? Guys should get licorice. You love licorice. Licorice or skunk.
No, sir.
Try to take on that black one, them skunk.
Girl, sweat. Licorice, please let it be licorice. Please, please, please.
I guess you're good.
I'm sure.
You don't know what licorice tastes like? Imagine a skunk you eat so. Yeah, I never skunk, but I don't think I eat.
Licorice me have taste of it. No.
I guess you wouldn't eat skunk fighter.
Not sure.
You're not sure, everything you would
It
sure.
not taste like licorice and it not taste like
Just like how me did sure.
Run, your turn, your turn, your turn.
Oh God. Guys,
Yeah.
it is strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. Whoa.
Well, you like sushi?
I'm afraid for my life.
Jetzt kommt eine Mammut, ne? Guck mal, da sind auch so schöne Grüne drin. This is a little green one. It looks so pretty. Mach mal, ne?
Okay.
Achtung.
You know, I'm going to cup this time because I don't want to spit on the place
You
like
don't need a cup, man. This is gonna be a good one. Achtung. Achtung. Come on, don't. You have a good one. We can feel it. Eh? Are you not even spitting like, come. a bad one. No. Oh, see again that fish. Ah, ja, Mann. Musst du dich übergeben? Hol Tiefluft und entspannen, ne? Okay, come on, don't go on like that. So, bin ich dran, ne?
Come on! She got to see a one. Dead fish or banana strawberry smoothie.
No, this one,
The
right?
pink one.
That one there. It? Sure?
Yeah.
Yes, I have the good one. I can feel it.
Okay, the size yeah, it was a good one.
What's the other taste again?
Dead fish strawberry.
I think strawberry can taste so.
Strawberry banana smoothie.
Bah.
You really chew up a lot, no? Me never
That never be a strawberry, ever. That never be a strawberry.
So you don't get to see one, right? It's not that you want.
Wow.
You sure?
Yeah, me sure. Me know what strawberry tastes like.
Oh, good.
Ich glaube, ich mag kein Sushi mehr. La. There, what up?
Oh God, not again. Me get canned food or chocolate pudding again. No, I'm scared. I'm scared. Brown. The one you look for me better not be dog food again.
Mix it.
Now hold my garbage bin ready.
Achtung.
Oh.
Hey, God.
Oh!
Hey, dog food again?
Oh.
Seriously? Come on. Seriously? Not impossible. No, sir. Are you just... It could not possibly dog food again.
Oh, it smells so bad, put it far. Me don't want no more dog food. Me traumatized me. I want everyone.
Ooh.
Oh, me I don't get dog food today.
No,
Oh.
shoot, don't say it.
Wow.
Was hat ich? Oh.
Guys, you better like the video. Like up the video for all of this.
Yeah, for what show you end because I think I go survive this.
Vomit and
Please.
peach. That's your favorite one.
Ja, klar doch.
And for my favorite one, I dog food.
I ate that shitty thing here.
It is the orange looking one, not the pink. No, the orange one.
Who's orange? That.
Yeah, 9 oranges.
Ja, meine. That.
Yeah.
That one already look dangerous.
No.
I like how that look.
Hold your cup ready.
Oh, don't say
Don't put it
anything.
in my
Don't-
nose. Put it in my ears.
Where is it supposed to taste after?
Peach?
What?
Peach?
Yeah, no one.
Vomit? You get vomit? You get to vomit?
Give me piece of that.
You get vomit?
Uah.
So what vomit tastes like?
Oh, you are smelly. Oh my god.
That's so like. You know, I'm not asking if I get it too.
Yeah.
Mommy, this is not the right thing I'm going to have to do again. Spoiled milk!
Finally! Oh, she get the spoiled milk one.
Spoiled milk or coconut.
Yeah, make sure you get the coconut one.
This look like coconut, not true.
Yeah, definitely. I can feel it. I feel it in my heart. It's a coconut, a jelly. Yeah, right. Yeah, I are quite already. Lekker. I guess it was not a coconut.
So guys,
Alright.
so guys, in order to finish the show, I dare her to try the
You don't even
coconut
know if I spoil milk.
or the spoiled milk. I dare her do still, it's very intimidating. And then you can dare me if you do one more. I guess you get
A
the
coconut.
coconut.
Definitely
Shit.
coconut.
Alright, dare me if you do one.
Right one.
No, dare me if you do one. Which one you want me to try again if you finish? Mommy wicked. Mommy want me to try the dog food. Oh God. And you let him get to spoil me. How much dog food one can eat? Alright, Mommy dare me to do the dog food. Again.
I give here, man. I need me share just my dog food. Me, I go take it.
Alright, wait, you told we can do one dog food.
Where?
Do one more left over there.
I bet you me not get it.
Alright.
This is a dog food for Crystal. Me get whatever.
I don't know, I don't have no look with dog food today. You got chocolate again?
Yeah, sure.
You're not sure, man. Me have to have you fall, no?
Yeah, but you have to just different. Blah, blah, blah. Hey. As me, I take a chocolate that night. Ooh.
Mommy, it really tastes like dog food. You cannot deny that dog food.
You know you taste dog food already?
We smell.
Do you ever get to taste one of them greenish something there?
Of course. The boogie.
Oh, so yeah. So we gone through all of them.
Thank God so we don't get a skunk.
Doch, ich? Ach so.
Did you
but
get
the
it?
good one. No, very good one. I don't remember what we get also because I don't feel so sick.
Guys, that's enough for today. Me feel sick. Mommy feels sick.
Yeah, and I have to work tomorrow. I don't know how, but
Some of my bad one them in a some part we never get, but you know what, we don't have to get them. Me get enough dog food to compensate for every other bad thing in there, so.
let me get enough bad ones so also
Every dog food slash
and the smell alone also, you smell really a ton off. Let me tell you
every
that,
dog food slash chocolate pudding. Me always get the dog food. At least I want to get chocolate.
Yeah, but it don't taste like chocolate neither.
No, me really get it and love it. Who knows?
Shut up. Oh, Jesus.
Anytime you hungry, me know me can buy for you.
So whoever wanted the rest of the game also, we will send it to you, right?
Yes. Send the address if you want to rest.
Yeah. I mean, I encourage you to try. It's absolutely
Fun. Oh God, I need to go brush my teeth. Oh. Okay, guys.
Bye bye. Remember, subscribe, like, share, comment
Thanks for
below.
watching.
Yeah.
Yeah,
goodbye.
guys. Goodbye.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Let's just say that.
See you next time. Peace.
Ready for anything. Ready for anything. So as we run into the sun, sometimes I know we're gonna fall down. Hold my hand and we'll get up. I know we're gonna make it somehow.